morning, everybody. I'm Chef Emerson here at the Harbor School, and we're doing Emerson's Culinary Extravaganza. David Oleski is on the camera and my producer. Okay, I wanted to give him a shout out. He did such a fantastic job last week, so thank you very much, Mr. Oleski. Today, background music is going to be the Revivalist. I think I'm going to try and do background music every week because I love music, so there you go. Today, we are going to do a salad. Don't run away from the camera, don't turn me off. This is going to be a great salad, okay, with a super special element to it, okay? First off, I want to say hello to all my students. Hi guys. A salad is what we do every Thursday. Every single one of my students is completely involved in the salad. We do the whole thing. We make incredible salads here. We do a great job on the salads. So I want to do this salad crossing. We bought some incredible vegetables, some beautiful vegetables. But the superstar today, and it's what we'll start with today, is going to be sriracha maple bacon. Okay? Everybody, it is the superstar here at the Harbor School. Everybody loves the sriracha maple bacon. Everybody. Okay? So one more shout out today, as I thought about this, I'm going to do this episode sort of dedicated to my niece Allie. Okay? Allie loves my sriracha maple bacon. She makes it on her own. She's a nurse at Johns Hopkins, so I just wanted to say thank you to Allie and let her know I'm thinking about her. We're going to do some sriracha maple bacon today. It's a fantastic salad, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start the sriracha maple bacon with bacon. We're using a thick cut bacon, okay? We're going to find some nice big pieces. We're going to cook about 8 slices. We're going to put it on a rack, okay? So that we can take it off and sauce both sides. Okay? Nice big thick bacon. Alright, not much I can say about it, it's just bacon. It's gonna be delicious. Bacon is very salty, so one of the things that we'll do is we will counterbalance it by putting pepper on it. So I always put pepper on my bacon, always. I pepper all my bacon every single time, right? My oven is 350 degrees, so I'm gonna put this bacon straight into the oven. It's gonna take about 5 minutes, okay? So here we go. All right, now we're gonna make the sauce. So we're going to do the sriracha maple sauce. Okay? All it is half sriracha, half maple syrup. Okay? Use a good syrup, right? Get a nice syrup. If you use log cabin or something like that, that's fine. But we're going to use a nice syrup, and we only have 8 pieces of bacon. We're going to go 50-50. Okay? And this is the sriracha. Okay? And that's it. Spicy and sweet. Just stir it up. And that's all there is to it. That's our sauce. We will glaze this on the bacon. Okay? Our next step is we're going to cut some lettuce. We bought some spring lettuce that came in a package. We also bought some romaine that we're going to cut. Okay? So we did the same thing with our cutting board. We're going to do this every single time. Anytime we cut, we're going to put the damp cloth down, put our cutting board on top so it doesn't slip. We have this beautiful head of lettuce here, okay? Put our gloves on. We're going to use a lettuce knife. This knife is made specifically to cut lettuce, okay? I'm not exactly sure why, but when you use a metal knife, lettuce turns brown, okay? So they make special plastic knife so that you can cut lettuce and it won't turn brown as quickly, okay? We have this nice big head of lettuce. We are going to have to clean our lettuce. First, we're going to start with the outer leaves and get off. When I talk to my students, I tell them the ugly leaves, okay? Dirty, nasty. Anything that you wouldn't eat, we take off, okay? We're going to cut off this top right here. Some of this across the top is brown, nasty looking. Now we're gonna cut it. Guys, clean your lettuce. Lettuce is dirty. It's maybe the dirtiest of all the sort of vegetables you buy at the store. You can find all sorts of things in there. Definitely bugs and dirt. So make sure you're cleaning. Clean all your vegetables. Before you guys started watching today, I took every single vegetable, I washed them in cold water. I even wiped them off with paper towels if I thought they were sticky and re-washed them again. Okay? We have a nice clean vegetables. Right? Here's some lettuce. And now we're gonna go wash in the sink. All right, welcome back. So we cleaned our lettuce off. We got it sitting in a bowl. Okay? We have this real pretty serving dish we're gonna put it in. First off, if you know me, I'm gonna flavor everything. I'm gonna season everything. So we are not gonna let this lettuce just sit here like this. We're gonna season it. So I had some fresh parsley in the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna rough chop it. I'm gonna throw some of that in there, okay? Add a little freshness, even more freshness to that lettuce. The next thing we're gonna do, we have these beautiful blood oranges. They are beautiful, okay? I'm gonna zest one, about half of one. I'm gonna put it right in here, okay? This is a zester, okay? It takes the zest right off the outside of the orange without getting to the white part underneath. It doesn't taste good. The zest adds a lot of flavor. And if you look at that, that blood orange is gonna look so pretty in there, okay? All right, I'm gonna mix it just a bit. I'm gonna add it right in here, okay? And everything's lost at the bottom. Right, there we go, mixed it up. Brought some up to the top. Beautiful. Take the bacon out of the oven, should be done. Smells fantastic. Eventually they'll invent some smell-o-rama. Okay? Alright, got the bacon right there. Looks great. Coming off nice and easy. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to glaze both sides. Okay? So we're going to flip them all over. Okay? And glaze the one side first, and then flip them back over. And put them back in the oven. Now I'm going to pause there for a second. I'm not going to pause. I'm going to go over to the oven. We have to reduce the temperature to 200 degrees. Okay? We cooked it at 350. Now we're going to put it back in with the glaze on it at 200 degrees. We're going to make it like a candy. Okay? We want it to get nice and sticky. Okay? We don't want to burn it. If you put this in with the glaze on it, you're going to burn it. Okay, we've got this nice paintbrush. Just paint it on. Put it on heavy, guys. Okay, that's what I tell the students. Okay, put it on heavy. Just drizzle it on there. I'll clean the pan later. Okay? Now, those of you who haven't tried this before, you definitely need to do this. This is very easy, okay? You'll love it. Okay? It's a little spicy. If you don't like spicy, you might not like it, but this is a delicious dish and one of the most popular things we make here. I'm gonna wait a few minutes, make sure that oven cools down a bit, and put it in, okay? Now, when you look at this bacon, some of it's going to be crispier than others. That's great. I have friends who like bacon like they like chewing gum, okay? And then I have other friends who like it crispy. I like it crispy, okay? So, a little bit here for everybody. We're going to peel the cucumber, okay? This is a peeler. Everybody has this in their house. These are little knives, guys, okay? Keep your hands away from it, all right? So the way I do it, okay, so I hold it up top, nice and tight, and I peel down, okay? I'm gonna leave a little skin on. I like that, okay? All right? We'll peel it down, okay? Like I said, these vegetables are all clean. Got a little skin on it. Then I flipped it over, okay? I'm gonna hold it tight and peel off the rest, okay? Nice and easy, nothing to it. Now the carrots I'm gonna do a little bit different, Okay, I'm gonna throw away this cucumber. And I'm gonna do something cool with these carrots. Right? First, I'm gonna peel off the outside. I'm gonna go pretty fast. Look at that color. All right. Carrots have a sweetness to them. Okay, I want that sweetness. I want that in my salad. We're just gonna peel these. I'm gonna make little shreds. This is what I was looking for. All right. The strands of carrots. We'll throw them right on top of the salad, right? Right on top. Okay? I'm going to take these cucumbers and just put them right on top of the salad. Now, my oven should be cooled off, right? I had it at 350. I turned it down to 200. I left the door open. I'm going to put this beautiful bacon in there. Now, you leave that bacon in there for about 10 minutes. Okay, it should be fine. Next thing, we're going to cut this pepper. Okay. I watched the video the other day, and I realized I do this all the time. I guess it's like a habit. Starting to look like a salad there, guys. Okay? Now, I got these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. I'm gonna take that core out like this. Okay? Get it out, put it down like that. I'm gonna use a serrated edge knife with my tomato. I always like using a serrated edge knife. Looks like waves, called serrated edge. Some places are called, this is serrated edge. A bread knife will have a more rounded edge, but it's a bread knife. It cuts tomatoes really nice. Okay? They look great. This orange, okay, it's called a blood orange, okay? You love this color of this thing, okay? Take off this, I'm just gonna peel it. See how well I do with the gloves on? I already peeled a couple earlier, and look at the color. I showed you this earlier, but look at that color. Take some of these oranges, and we're just going to put them on the corners, okay? And when you ever see my kids making the salads on Thursdays, they're putting stuff in the corners, they're drizzling stuff across the top, okay? Okay, so we're going to take the bacon out. Because we have some other things we're going to have to put in the oven. So we're going to take this bacon out, and we could have let it go longer, but it looks fine. Okay, nice and glazed. Okay, it's going to be delicious. All right, beautiful color. We're going to take it, put it over here, let it cool off a little bit. Just put it over there. Okay. Now we're going to do some garlic, and this time I might have even talked about it the other day, but we're going to roast garlic. I'm going to put some olive oil on it, a little salt and pepper because I just feel like I always salt and pepper everything. Temperature, we're going to raise it up to 500 degrees. We'll put that in the oven in a minute. We'll let this oven get hotter. I'm going to put it in and I'll show you. This is actually, this garlic is going to go in the salad dressing we're going to make. We're going to make a honey mustard vinaigrette. That's the salad dressing we're going to put on this. Okay, something else that people love on my salads is the croutons. Okay, fresh made croutons. Right? We're just going to cut this bread. We're looking for cubes. I'm going to cut it. Cut it like that so I don't cut my finger. Okay? We cut it in cubes using the bread knife. Okay? Try and keep them relatively uniform, but they cook all at the same time. Okay? We're cooking that garlic at 500 degrees. We're going to cook this bread at 500 degrees. We're going to toast it. It should only take a couple minutes. Alright? Cubed up. Now we put this butter. This is butter. Alright? Put the butter right in here. You can use olive oil. Okay? Butter is just delicious. Alright? We're going to season it. We are definitely going to use Parmesan cheese. This is basil. And then a little tiny bit of the crushed red, don't let this too high. And we're just gonna mix it up, okay? And we are only gonna take a couple minutes, 500 degrees to cook. We're making toast, guys, all right? All right, welcome back. So now I'm gonna put a couple things in the oven. We had the oven at 350 for the bacon. We turned it down to 200 to get it glazed. Now we turned it back up to 500 so that we could put the garlic and the croutons in. We're gonna put those in the oven now. So that's in there. We're gonna start our salad dressing. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It's called for balsamic, but I really like using the rice wine vinegar, and that's what I'm gonna go with. I want this to be sort of light. 2 tablespoons. Okay. 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon of honey. A little salt. A little pepper. Now we're going to put roasted garlic in there, and you saw we just put the roasted garlic in, so it'll be another minute. And then the olive oil will go in last, but I just wanted to get this started. We're just going to stir this up. And we're going to use 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. So we pulled the garlic out of the oven, okay? We let it cool for a bit. It's all toasted up and garlicky. And we're going to smash it just like we did the other day, but it's going to smash nice and easy because it's roasted. It's going to be a lot sweeter than it was, okay? Okay. I'm going to take that little part out. I'm going to put this in our salad dressing, okay? We'll stir that up a little bit. I don't want a big chunk of garlic to get to someone's mouth, okay? And now, I'm just gonna add this in here. A little bit at a time, stir it up. Try not to make too much of a mess. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, that's good. 2 times. We're going to use those, okay? So now we're going to start to finish this up, okay? Remove the cutting board. We get our red cutting board. Red cutting board for meat. I really don't need to use it for the bacon, but I'm going to anyway. Come back. Salad. Croutons. Okay. There's a little honey mustard dressing on that. There you go. Sriracha maple bacon on citrus tomato salad. This is Chef Emerson saying deuces.